Hello, hello. If you're watching this video, it means you're in 2020. Happy New Year. So I got top 5 technologies that you have to learn in 2020 to make your life easy. So what are these top 5 technologies that you have to learn in 2020 no matter what? Let's see what we have on number 5. Number 5, we have virtual reality and augmented reality. Virtual reality and augmented reality, they put you in a simulated environment. So it gives you a sense that you're in a real world environment, but in actual sense, you're in a simulated environment. For example, let's say you want to train doctors on surgery. You can just take the doctors to start surgery right away. You have to give them in a simulated environment so that they should know what happens whenever you're doing a surgery. So that's the advantage of virtual reality and augmented reality. Augmented reality usually works on mobile apps to give you the sense of that real world through the apps. It's like a layer on top of the digital objects like the images, the videos, and whatnot. So virtual reality and augmented reality, they're mainly used in entertainment, in healthy industry. A lot of industry now is booming. It has been there, but in 2020 the growth rate seems there'll be too much products on virtual reality and augmented reality. What do we have on number 4? Number 4, we have Internet of Things. Probably you've already heard about these a couple of years, but now even the number of devices that are estimated to be on the market by 2020 was 30 billion devices. So what is Internet of Things? Obviously, there are things aside and there's the internet. So basically it's just connecting the home appliances, all the devices to the internet. Nowadays, whenever the devices are being manufactured, there's Wi-Fi connectivity in them. Even the bulbs has Wi-Fi connectivity, your cooker, your geyser, whatever. So the aim of Internet of Things is to make your life easy so that you can connect all these things to the internet, so that you can control all those things remotely. For example, you're at work, you want to switch on your geyser. You don't have to go home and switch on the geyser and get back to work. You can just press a button on the internet and it switches on your geyser. You want to close your garage. Maybe if you forgot to close the garage, you can do that through Internet of Things. So there are a lot of usage that you can do with Internet of Things, from security to entertainment, a lot of things for Internet of Things. So one of the things that will be booming in 2020 is Internet of Things, IoT. Make sure you learn that. What do we have on number 3? On number 3, we have robotic process automation. You know, there are a lot of repetitive tasks that human beings do that even takes time for them to accomplish, and the results are not that up to standard. So robotic process automation usually automates those repetitive tasks, and it is estimated that the robots will replace a number of human beings in the job industry. So a lot of human beings will lose their jobs due to robotic process automation. So you just better get your hands dirty on robotic process automation, otherwise you go extinct. What do we have on number 2? On number 2, we have machine learning. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a subset of AI, artificial intelligence. We'll see in the next slide what's AI. Machine learning, as you know, there are 2 types of learning: supervised learning and unsupervised learning. So machine learning, the computers, they try to do things that are not programmed to do. So they learn from the environment, from the data, from the inside. So they look at the patterns of the data and learn something from the pattern and give you meaningful results, make decisions, right decisions at the right time without bias. So machine learning, you can use machine learning a lot of things. There's data science. You can use machine learning to analyze data. You can use machine learning to make decisions quickly. You can use machine learning to do a lot of things. So that's on number 2, machine learning. What do we have on number 1? That thing that you have to do in 2020, you have to learn in 2020. On number 1, we have artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, as the name suggests, there's human intelligence that I have a human being. Then now there's artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is coupled to enhance the human intelligence. Human intelligence, we tend to have limitations in our thinking and whatnot, and we are a bit slow to analyze things, make a decision. So computers are getting smarter and smarter and faster and faster. So the machines are able to make decisions quickly, to process a lot of data quickly than the human beings. So a lot of things right now, they're powered by the computers, or making decisions on the computer, not the human beings. So just better get your hands dirty and learn these top 5 technologies. If you have any questions on these top 5 technologies, feel free to ask those questions. You can get me on your YouTube and Facebook, Blina Chisenga. I'll be able to help you guys.